Hello guys, so this is Mark from Scholarship Headquarters. Scholarship Headquarters is a website that provides scholarship information for students who are interested so that scholarship application will become very easier. Our main goal is to make scholarship application accessible and very easy. Therefore, we have a WhatsApp group for about 1,000 members that we post scholarship, and when you are interested you just click and you do your own research and then you apply. Yes, but if you want assistance too, we have agents available who will assist you, but that comes with a cost. Yes, so just as we had the discussion on the platform, most of you you want scholarship, but a lot of you don't have CV. CV is very important. There is no scholarship that you apply that you will not upload your CV, unless maybe it's not postgraduate or even undergrad. You will have to. Most of them, nearly more than 90% of them, you requires you to upload your CV. So today I'm going to teach you how to write a CV. Please take note and follow the step. Watch the video to the end. Watch it as many times as possible to get it right, please. Yes, so that you not come into our DMs and be asking a lot of questions. When you come, we will charge you, okay, before we write it for you. So please take note of this. We love you. We want the best for you. That's what we have been doing. And note, subscribe to this channel because we will be posting videos on scholarship. So from time to time, we will be doing scholarship application videos, especially scholarships that you are likely to get full funding, that the process is not complicated, the requirements are not complicated. We'll be doing that. So please kindly subscribe to this channel and like and comment below. All right, so today we are going to write CV with ChatGPT with AI. You can write it with any advanced AI that you have, but I prefer ChatGPT. All right, but before then, you need to understand your curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae is just a history about you, but this one, it is specified to your academic history. So curriculum, your academics vitae, so it talks about anything that you have done academically or anything that you have done that have academical effect or that have good effect on the society. So if you want to write your CV, these are things that you need. One, you need your full name. You have to write your full name, your contact, your email. Please, you will write all this information before you go and give it to ChatGPT. Don't just go and type chat, I want you to generate CV for me, just like that. No. I hear people saying that AI, they don't give information and all those that. The AI is a tool. They give you the information according to what your command. Yes, so your full name, your contact, your email, your residence, your educational background including years. So your educational background, maybe starting from your high school, okay, to your secondary school, maybe to the tertiary. So junior high school, sorry, to the senior high school, to the tertiary. You give a brief account on that. You give your leadership experience. That is very important. Please, if you don't have leadership experience, go and get some. Go and get one leadership experience, and you add yes. You also add work experience. If you have worked at anywhere, whether it relates to your academic course or not, please include it. And at least it has to be around 3 months there or a month or two. Please, work experience, very skills. Yes, your course may be theoretical, but you need practical skills. You have to write down your skills. What can you do best? Somebody can write, I can mow a garden, but please don't go and write that. But your skills are very important. And then awards are very prestigious in terms of your CV. If you have awards there, that is great. So please participate in a lot of activities that you will get awards. But please, it has to be from a verified source, a verified award, not just any random award. Your extra curriculum activities, what do you do? What do you do aside learning? What do you do? Very, very important. Do you watch movies? You cannot put that one as part of your CV. You cannot, please. Yes, you cannot. So you include anything that you do aside your academics. Yeah. So what should I say? Okay, I do delivery as an extra thing. So I'm part of the debate club. That's fine. I'm part of the student bar. Okay, all these are fine. And then we have seminars or conference. One thing that most people don't like, especially Africans, they don't like attending seminars and conference because of sometimes they take it and also the fee. But please try as much as possible to join a seminar, a boot camp, a training. Very, very important. It is going to help you. All right. So for me, I have sample of this information. It's just a random data, and I'm going to give it to chat, and chat is going to help me. So let's go to chat. You can go to chatgpt.com. So you just chat. I mean, you have to be a little bit friendly. So hello, I want you, okay, sorry, to create a powerful right. So hello, I want you to create a powerful CV for me with the information below, but feel free to add, okay, to add anything relevant or recommended. Okay, all right, so full stop, then I'll write this. So okay, all right, this is sorry, my typing skills is poor. This is the information, so this is the info. Then I'll bring column here, control plus V. I'll paste. Whoosh, what have I pasted? Bingo, that wasn't something I was expecting to happen, but let's see what happens. Let's see. No, this is not the information, so let me get it. I think I copied the wrong info, so let me copy the information that provided. Okay, so this is it. So right, okay. All right, so let me put the right in there. Okay, bingo. So I've provided the information as I taught you guys. Now I'm going to give it to chat. So let's see what chat will have to say. Let's see. Good. Okay. This writing keeps on. Write as many as often as you can. Bingo. So we are done. Let's go through what chat I've provided to see if it is correct. So first, the name is what? John Doe. Yes. And look at the arrangement, how chat have arranged it. You have to arrange it like that on your document, or you can choose any CV format with when you go to Microsoft and you are Microsoft Word. If you are using the current versions, you can add template, CV template. Google Docs, you can get resume template or CV template, but you can make it like this, the document like this. So okay, so Jane Doe, so these are my contacts. Okay, so professional summary. Look at this. Highly motivated and detail-oriented computer science graduate with a robust foundation in software development, leadership, and IT support. Proven track. So you see, because of the information that I gave to it, yes, It has provided me with everything I need. So this is a professional summary. Very, very nice. Now look at the education. So education, Bachelor of Science. So this one, I didn't include anything relating to high school or whether junior high school or senior high school, but only the tertiary. So education. So you see university. So the name of the university, you write that, because the example that I gave to him, I wrote University of Example. So yeah, and any town in USA. You graduated when? 2022. Okay, so leadership experience. Now let's go. President, Computer Science Club. You see, and then under it you write the university and everything, and then you see here what are some of the things that you did. So you led a team of 30 members, organizing code workshops, guest lectures, and these are activities, major activities that you did during the president. Okay, so you have the increased club membership. You see, then you go to team. You give something small. So the university example and everything is telling us where you were the team leader for a hackathon. Okay, so then you write at least 2 points, at most, sorry, 2 points is fine. Things that you did, massive things. You can even write more than that if you like. Let's go to professional experience now. As a software developer at Tech Solutions, so your professional experience, if it relates to your field, it is a plus plus plus. But if not, it is also very important, because some of the employers, they don't just only look at whether it relates to your field, but they want to see if you have been professionally involved or have professional experience. So you see, assisted in developing web application using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Very precise, very specific. Debugged and optimized existing softwares. So these are some of the things. Collaborated with senior. Okay, so we have what? IT support specialist. That is also another place that this guy that I've created, it's just a random data, did had a professional experience. Okay, sorry. So that is that. You go to skills. So what are the skills? Programming language, C, Python, Java, C++. Web development, HTML/CSS. Okay, database. So version control and other skills. See, look at the other skills. Very, very important. Problem solving, team collaboration, communication. Very, very key. Please describe yourself in your curriculum writer, but please not plenty. So these are, so award, the dean's list for academic excellence. So when you're in school, like if you are to be in Ghana, local news excellence awards and all those stuffs. Best project award, computer science. Then you see, you provide the date. Very, very nice. Extra curriculum activities. So member debate club. You see, member of debate club. Volunteer for local animal shelter. Okay, so you can just say I volunteered and I was part of a community service. Okay, so volunteer, community service or community cleaning service. That's all. These are all extra curriculum activities. Seminars. So these are the seminars. And then projects. So project is optional. If you work on any project, your final year project, for me, my final year project is surveillance of antimicrobial resistance in plenty stuff. So it's you can just include it and you'll be fine. And then we have real-time collaboration tools. Okay, so these are tools that you have been using. So these are the projects that the person developed, or that the person that I created. So these are the project, real-time collaboration tools, personal. So these are projects. Project. So if you have any project at all, you can add that you are part of this and that and that. So reference upon request, and that is very simple. You just have to copy and you are done. But if you still want to go further, you can come to Google Forms or Google Docs, and then okay, so you can just choose one of these things, okay, and follow the style. Okay, you can just follow the style. So let's say I want this one. This is a resume and CV are almost the same. So all that you have to do is you edit. You see the way that they have arranged it, you edit and arrange it. You see skills, awards, education, language, you edit it and put your things there, and that will be all. So that is that for writing a CV with ChatGPT. And then you can also paste your CV here and give it for it to refine. So, and you can, one last, you can ask any recommendations. I really like that when I'm using chat recommendations. So let's see if it has some recommendations. Right, so certainly so the recommendations that it will give you will tell you some aspect that you need to include in your CV. So maybe the information that you are giving to chat, it lacks some one or two things that can give you a plus. When you ask for recommendation, it will tell you to do that. So it will tell you personalize the summary. So make it like you are talking. Okay, and look at education to include your GPA if it's strong. Please, condition is there, and you see 3.5 and above. So I graduated with a CGPA of 3.7, 3.5. So that's nice. And then maybe relevant key courses that you took part, like data structure in this case, and machine learning. See, leadership. It will tell you. So once you are done with the CV, tell it to give you recommendation, and chat will give you recommendation. All right, so that is it. That is the end. That is how you write your CV. Coming up, I will do a video on how to write a cover up letter with Careerd.ai. Yes, to write a cover up letter that will match with your job description or your application description. And then we also make a video on job scans. Job scans help you or rate your cover letter or anything that you are writing at all. So with job scan, what you do is that it compares the job description versus your cover letter, and then will show you whether the probability of you getting a job is high or low, or will show you some things that are that you are lacking, some things that you also need to add to your cover up letter. Yes, so thank you very much, and that will be all. Don't forget, I'll leave our description, our WhatsApp group in the description below. Make sure you click on it, and then our website link as well. Don't forget, this is Scholarship Headquarters. Your interest is our priority. Bye bye.